Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Safari search history on iPhone. So you want to clear the Safari search history on your phone, the search history. Here's how I can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you have to tap on the settings icon on your phone. Once you tap on it, you should have something like this on the main screen, which is the normal home settings. Then you scroll down a little, you keep scrolling down, then you tap on Safari, then you scroll down a little till you find clear history and website data. This is it. You can see the assistive touch circling around it. Then you tap on it. Then right here you can now clear the search history. Then that also includes all the tabs open, but in case you want to keep the tabs, just tap on keep the tabs but clear the history, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.